Hey guys, this is interesting. This is that spot, I don't know if you saw on the news, where a whole river shifted. Well, this whole thing here, this trough, it used to be the main river, and it's just a trickle. It's a beautiful spot. I just went and fished the upstream side there, and some nice water. Hazel, come off the road. So I'm going to hit one more hole on the way down. But it's pretty interesting how the strength, you guys, of water and rivers and Mother Nature, when these quote-unquote atmospheric rivers come out of the sky, these torrential rains, when you get 5-10 inches of rain or whatever it was, and then all the warm temps just melt any snow up in the mountains, and this is the result. Crazy, man. Look what this Mother Nature is capable of doing. Wow.